Hey guys, um, we are at me and Pradeep. Hey Pradeep, how are you? Hey guys, we are at Honda Big Wing Service Center. So this is on Mysore Road in Bangalore. So we have come here for our first service. So our bikes have done about close to 950 kilometers, and then the first service is due uh, at before 1000 kilometers. So yeah, see, precisely I have done 968 kilometers. So guys, the Big Wing is here, and especially talking to the service guys here, they say that apparently Honda CB350 Highness is a super bike and needs to be serviced only in Big Wing. And yeah, so we are waiting for our slot, which is at 9 a.m. I think it's going to be 9 a.m. now, and yeah, we look forward to it. And sure guys, we'll keep you all posted after the service on how things went, what was the service cost, etc. So yeah, thank you. Hi guys, welcome back to yet another vlog. So I just got my first service done on the bike yesterday. So this was in Bangalore at the Big Wing Top Line Service Center, which is on Mysore Road. My experience with the service has been satisfactory, and it went on well. So overall, we got there at about 9 o'clock, and then handed over our bikes for the service. Of course, any kind of recording was prohibited in the customer lounge, and of course customers are not allowed to be near to the bike, but we can watch from the lounge. But recording was prohibited, so couldn't record any footage over there. However, with respect to service, I think when we gave it for service, first initially they washed the bike, and then they took it onto the lift, bike service lift, and then they changed the engine oil. They changed the engine oil and the engine filter, which is inside this insert, that was replaced. And then finally they cleaned the brake pads with the liquid cleaner spray, and even the rear pads were cleaned with the liquid spray, and the chain was cleaned, adjusted and looped. So all three was done. So these three were the major part of the service what was done. So apart from that, no other maintenance was needed as part of the first service. And yes, overall satisfactory with the service experience, and service manager Ravi Kumar was very friendly and had a good customer oriented approach. So thanks to him on that. And yes, I did check with them about the accessories, but accessories have still not arrived, and that is sad, but yeah, that's the fact. So but when I spoke to Ravi Kumar, where are my accessories, he said it's still not arrived, but he said, you know what, I have two tank pads available with me. So I told him, okay, go ahead and put the tank pad right away. So guys, this is the tank pad. So of course I went with the black one, and I heard that there is brown also available, but it was not there at that point. So yeah, it looks pretty neat and functional with the CB branding. I like it. And yeah, I think it will help avoid those minor scratches when you lean on the tank, or when your zipper on the jacket, etc., scrapes through. So that's a good one. So coming to the first service cost, so the first service costed us somewhere around 1300 rupees, which I think is quite reasonable, because the engine oil itself costs about 900 rupees, and then the filter which goes into this is about, say, some 70 rupees, and the cleaner what they use for the brake pads and the chain, plus the chain lube, costed another 250 rupees. So net all put together, it was about 1300 rupees, and the time what they took for service was about close to 1 hour. So we just waited in the customer lounge, and then our bikes were ready and handed over back to us. So overall, guys, satisfactory with the service cost and the service what we got for the bike. And that's a little bit at this point in time. Let us know your thoughts, comments and suggestions. And guys, if you like the video, please do like and subscribe to support us, and so that we can come up with much more useful and informative videos on the bike. Thank you.